Your eyebrows are very important to helping to communicate emotion and feeling. Hi, I'm Nick Lujan, the Director of Artistry and Education for Kevyn Aucoin Beauty, and today we're going to talk about creating a very natural, subtle brow fill using the Precision Eyebrow Pencil from Kevyn Aucoin. Our award-winning Precision Brow Pencil is an original iconic product for our brand. Kevyn Aucoin created this product with the natural feathered brow effect in mind. To use this pencil, all you do is twist up that little precision end to apply product, and when you're done, you twist it back down. Hidden away on the back end is a comb to help you groom the brow hair to spot where you need to fill in by drawing and sketching in one hair at a time. The Precision Brow Pencil comes in 3 shades. We've got ash blonde, brunette, and dark brunette. Today, I'm going to be using dark brunette on myself. The Precision Eyebrow Pencil is super easy to apply. I want to start off with one of my favorite pro tips to share for filling in the brows. Always start by cleansing the brow area with a cotton bud and a little water-based makeup remover. This is going to help to remove any skincare, any powder, foundation, or concealer that may have been trapped in those brow hairs. You want to have clean skin as a base for your brow product so that your brow product stays on for a longer period of time. After cleansing with a little cotton bud in my water-based remover, I'm going to comb the hair straight up to help me spot any sparse areas to fill in. And I also want to measure the length of the brow. From the side of the nose to the corner of the eye, that angle tells you how much length your brows should have. I need to add just a few hairs on that outer end. And now it's time to fill in. When I'm using my pencil, I just twist out about 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters maximum. That's really all you need. And then go through and fill in any of those little areas that have sparseness, or you can see the skin peeking through by sketching in one hair at a time. Now I want to add a little length to my tail. If you have 0 brow hairs and you want to create a really natural look, start off by using the lighter shade of the Precision Eyebrow Pencil. Use the ash blonde to create the shape of brow that you want, and then later go in with some darker shades to create those low lights. That way you create that multi-dimensional brow. And it's all based on Kevyn's theory and philosophy on sketching in one hair at a time for that really natural brow effect. After you've filled in your brow, twist the product back down, flip the brush over, or flip the pencil over to get to the brush so that you can comb through those brow hairs and really lay them in the direction that you want. We can't wait to see how you use your Precision Eyebrow Pencil, so make sure you tag us at Kevyn Aucoin and hashtag Team Kevyn so we can follow along in your journey.
Light it up.